Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a background in Google Docs. I'm just going to insert an image, so I'm just going to do that really quick. I'm just going to choose this one, for instance. Select the image and select behind text. Then you're going to go down to recolor, adjustments here, and then adjust the transparency like so. There you have like your sort of background. I don't know why it's highlighted. There. Now you have like your background on Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!